IFM News. Lokal.
Idol John, go ahead.
Dasaran ni Sangguniang Panlunsod Member J.B. Bakiran, iti Pannakaregulate Dagiti Pannakaestablisar Gasolinaan, iti Siudad di Laoag. So iti ket kalpasan at ti pannakaripar na nga da iti naipatakder, iti paset na ti Bakararo, particularly as iti Divine Word College of Laoag. Kinuna na, anong man payasaan anang rugi ti operasyon na da ito'y gasolinaan, ket masapol ko makita ken maregulate, takbay ang mabango na dagiti kakastoy negosyo. Imbatad na ang makaalarma, ti panakaipastek na ng nangruna taas si Dagiti pagadalan. Nairekomander met iti panag-investigar ti Committee on Trade and Industry ken iti Committee on Laws. Tinggen tayo man iti paseti na panagsarita.
Mr. Chair, I think there is also a need to regulate the building of gasoline stations here in our city, because as you can see, Mr. Chairman, I think that you're way on Bacara Road, right, on going home. Mr. Chair, there's this gasoline station just beside Divine Word College of Laoag. Well, I mean, it doesn't operate yet, but it's just alarming, Mr. Chairman, that you can build a gasoline station that near to a school premise, Mr. Chair. So I think there is also need to regulate on establishing gasoline stations, Mr. Chairman.
With that said po, I'm endorsing that matter to the Committee on Trade and Industry and Committee on Laws po for their further study and comments on the regard of possible regulating the building of gas station within the city of Laoag.
Pasenti Pannakaestablisar na diti abanag iti Sangguniang Panlunsod.
Ibagaman Idol Joan tap na makatulong na ti research da Republic Act 9514. 100 meters away from the school is accepted. Kunana, the Fire Code of the Philippines, Republic Act 9514, stipulates that gasoline stations are prohibited within a 100-meter radius of schools, public libraries, playgrounds, churches, or hospitals. Ayan. Okay, inunak research. Sino ti committee ba nga nangi durunan ni Apo Presiding Officer?
Trade and Industry ken Laws, Idol Bernard.
Sino Trade and Industry?
Angor nabutan idingan ti Laws, Idol Bernard ket ni Apo Donald Nicolas.
Ay, so na ti Laws tatan. Hangan ni Apo Respison.
Saanen, Idol Bernard.
Okay. Go ahead, Idol Joan.
Pag-ibig Siudad di Laoag, kadwa 99.5 Basin Laoag, Idol John, 15 Tatak, Quorum, and